Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix screen time is not working on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or iPad or any other iOS device and your screen time is not working, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first, you just have to open your settings here, and here you have to try to update your software. So go for general, go for software update, and here you will find any update here. You just have to update your software, or if you have updated your software but you're still having the same issues, you have to open your screen time, and here you can see there's no any screen time option. My screen time is not working, so you just have to select this app and website activity, and you just have to tap on turn on apps and website activity, so it will be enabled your screen time, and after that your screen time will be worked. Or if you're still having the same issue that your screen time is not working, so you have to try to make a force restart your phone. So not through that, you have to quickly press and leave the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button, wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and leave the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you get Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, it will almost fix your issue and your screen time will work after this step. So you just have to wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your device, and after that you have to go for settings and you have to check if your screen time is still working or not, if you're still having the same issue. So you just have to go back and then go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings. Now you just have to verify yourself, then you have to enter your passcode, and after that your all setting will be resetted. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. And after doing that, if you are still having the same issue on your iPhone, so you just have to open your Apple Support app, then select your device, then select more option, then select screen time from here. Once you find screen time, select that, and from here you just have to select get more help, then select call us. Now you will find a phone number whenever you want to dial. You just have to dial this phone number and you will be contacted with Apple support team member. You have to discuss about your issue and you'll find official help from there. So in this way, you can easily fix screen time is not working on your iPhone or iPad or any other iOS device. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.